Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Newsfeed Career Quiz. So let's start our current affairs of September 25th, 2021. The first question is, who among the following signs as the brand ambassador of fantasy sports platform Houseware? The options are A. Hardik Pandya, B. Shreyas Iyer, C. Suresh Raina, and D. Shikhar Dhawan. And the correct answer is C. Suresh Raina. Suresh Raina signs as a brand ambassador of fantasy sports platform Houseware. The second question is, who among the following roped in as brand ambassador for 90 plus My Tuition app? The options are A. Rishabh Pant, B. Virat Kohli, C. Prithvi Shaw, and D. Shubham Gill. And the correct answer is A. Rishabh Pant. Rishabh Pant roped in as brand ambassador for 90 plus My Tuition app. Provides digital tuition to 8th to 12th standard students of CBSE. The third question is, Philip Brave Davis was sworn in as 5th Prime Minister of which of the following country? The options are A. Vietnam, B. Bahamas, C. Mauritius, and D. France. And the correct answer is C. Bahamas. Philip Brave Davis was sworn in as 5th Prime Minister of Bahamas. The fourth question is, who among the following has been chosen for the 2021 Change Maker Award from Bangladesh? The options are A. Keralal Sen, B. Zainul Ardin, C. Alol, and D. Fairuz Faiza Beater. The correct answer is D. Fairuz Faiza Beater. Fairuz Faiza Beater of Bangladesh chosen for the 2021 Change Maker Award for her work promoting good health and well-being. She is the co-founder of Monar School. Monar School, anonymous online platform active in the field of mental health. It works with youth to educate them about the importance of mental health care. The Changemaker Award instituted by the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. The fifth question is, which of the following ministry decided to celebrate Vanidya Saptah from September 20 to September 26? The correct answer is A. And the options are A. Ministry of Cooperation. B. Ministry of Commerce. C. Ministry of Agriculture. And D. Ministry of Textiles. The correct answer is B. Ministry of Commerce. Ministry of Commerce decided to celebrate Wanijya Saptah from September 20 to September 26. The sixth question is, which of the following has approved the merger of the company with Sony Pictures? The options are A. Gemini, B. G, C. Color, and D. Ma. And the correct answer is B. G. G has unanimously approved the merger of the company with Sony Pictures. G will hold 47.07% stake. Sony India will hold a 52.93% stake in the combined company. Punit Gonka will be the MD and CEO of the merged entity for 5 years. The seventh question is, which of the following government has passed the bill to ban online gambling recently? The options are A. Telangana, B. Uttar Pradesh, C. Karnataka, and D. Odisha. And the correct answer is C. Karnataka. Karnataka passed the Karnataka Police Amendment Bill to ban online gambling. Government has imposed a maximum imprisonment of 3 years and a penalty of up to 1 lakh. And the eighth question is, who among the following is the first to score 1000 runs against one team in IPL? The correct answer, the options are A. Quinton de Kock, B. Pollard, C. Surya Kumar Yadav, and D. Rohit Sharma. The correct answer is D. Rohit Sharma. Rohit Sharma first to score 1000 runs against one team in IPL. Rohit now has 1015 runs against KKR at an average of 46.1. David Warner with 943 runs against Punjab Kings is second on the list. And the ninth question is, which of the following is the first country in the world to embed LGBT education in school curriculum? The options are A. Greenland, B. France, C. Scotland, and D. Europe. And the correct answer is C. Scotland. The award's 7-year-old Adya Shankar was awarded the Peace Image of the Year. The children category, the prestigious Global Peace Photo Award. First Indian ever awarded the prize in either the adult or children category. She received a diploma, medal, and a check of €1,000. Adya was rewarded for a photograph entitled The Lap of Peace, awarded by Glamour Huber Editions in partnership with UNESCO and the Austrian Parliament. IAU named a lunar crater at the south pole of the moon after the Matthew Hansen. Matthew Hansen was an experienced explorer and skilled carpenter and craftsman. International Astronomical Union, founded in 1919 and headquartered in Paris, France. And the global air quality. World Health Organization has revised its global air quality guidelines. WHO set the new standards in the first update of its air quality guidelines since 2005. PM 2.5 norms for 24 hours average change to 15 microgram per meter cube against 25 microgram per meter cube in 2005. While the PM 2.5 norms for annual average change to 5 microgram per meter cube against the 10 microgram per meter cube in 2005. At the current relaxed standards, most of the Indian cities fail to meet these levels. Winter Olympics 2022. Beijing 2022 Winter Olympics unveiled its official motto, Together for a Shared Future. Mascot for 2022 Beijing Winter Olympics Games. Ding Dwing Dwing Panda. Mascot for 2022 Beijing Winter Paralympic Games. Shunei Ron Ron. Beijing set to become the first city to host both the Summer and Winter Olympics. The one-liners today are Anirudh Tiwari appointed as new Chief Secretary of the Punjab. Abhishek Verma elected to World Archery Athletes Committee. D.S. Patwalia has been appointed as new Advocate General of Punjab. Avik Sarkar re-elected as Chairman for Press Trust of India. And K.M. Shant Kumar as Vice President of Press Trust of India, PTI. And thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Comment down your doubts below about current affairs. Stay home, stay safe.